Hey guys, so in this video we will be unboxing the high-grade iron-blooded orphans Barbatos. Now first off, as usual, is the box. We have a cool artwork of the Gundam itself in its fourth form, and on the sides we have some pictures of the finished kit as well as some dynamic poses, and at the end it says customize. Now on the other side we have some front and rear pictures of the finished kit, as well as some information about Mikazuki August, which is the pilot, who is the pilot of the Gundam Barbatos, and of course about the plot. Also, we have an RRP of 1,000 yen. So inside the box, we have a total of 8 items, with the inclusion of the sticker sheet and polycaps. First, we have runner A1 and A2, which contains the parts of the inner frame, as well as the long sword and Barbatos' signature weapon, the mace. Molded in white, we have runner B for the majority of the armor parts for the shoulder, legs, arms, and torso. Runners C, D, and E for the feet, V-fin, vents, and torso. In addition, we also have a standard polycap. And lastly, we have the sticker sheet for the power symbols and for parts that are supposed to be black. So that's it for the unboxing. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.